Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omi. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about Python dictionary. So we are going to deep dive about a dictionary, how it works, and what is the basic syntax. So looking towards the basic definition, a dictionary is a mapping data type, which means it stores data in the key and the value pair. Means it is going to store the data in the key and the value pair. Means we can say that dictionary is equal to key plus value. So we can say dictionary it is a mutable data type. Means we can add item, update items, and delete items. Also, we can see this in the practical session uh, in the previous further bit. Okay. Now let's understand this step by step with the help of examples. Now look here. I have taken the name of the dictionary as di, and that I have put the key as an one, and in the place of value that there is an omi. And second one is that key as an 2, and in the place of value there is an 20. So when I'm going to print this dictionary, so I'm going to get an output that is 1 omi to 20. So this is an simple example of an dictionary. Uh, so if I need to print a particular value that is omi, so I need to use this basic syntax that is di of 1. Di of 1 it means that I am going to get the simple omi that is stored in the key value of 1. Key 1 the value stored is an omi. Now move to the next example, and this is an good example for dictionary. So look here. The student, I have taken the name of the dictionary. Student is equal to name, that is OMI. Age is equal to age is an 21, and the course we are learning that is about Python. So if I going to print this student, so I am going to get this an output that is name OMI, age is 21, and the course is Python. Yeah. Now look here. If I am going to print particular just an value, now if I need an OMI as in this value is an in an output or an age that is 21, so I am going to print. Look here, I will make this as a comment. Sorry. So I am going to print just an age. So I will going to get an 21 as an answer. If I use here in the place of age, if I use here name, so I am going to get it as an OMI. You got it? Okay. Now look here for your basic understanding, the name acts as an like key and the OMI stored in that key that is value. Age will be act as an like key and the value that is stored that is 21. So this is the combination of the key and the value we get into the dictionary. Now, in dictionary, there is no the index concept. So just we need to access with the help of key, and the key must be unique, not a duplicate value. What happens if we use a duplicate key? Look here, I have initialized the dictionary as an D. D is equal to age A as an key, and the value is 10 assigned to that key. Now B as an key, and the value 20 is assigned to that key. And now A similar key, duplicate key, and the value is assigned 32 key. What will happen? That A will be first assigned to the 10, but afterwards A is assigned to the 30. Means in the key value of an A, the value 30 is stored. So A will be get as a garbage collection, and you are going to get in the place of A 30 value. So you must use an key must be an unique. Always remember. If I'm going to print d dot items, so I am going to get all the items that are present in my dictionary. So look here, 30 and b is 20. If I'm going to print b dot get as a value that doesn't exist in my dictionary, then I'm going to get an answer that is none. And simply I printed the dictionary that is a 30 and b is 20. You know this very well. And now I need to change. Means I am going to update the value. That means I am going to add the value on the position of 2. Means I need to add the value that is 200. So new key is going to get generate here that is 2 and the 200 is added at that position. What if I need to update that? Similarly, take it as an dictionary that at the place of 2 need to update as an 100. So at the place of 2 you are going to get as a 100. So we have added, updated and Now we will learn about how to delete an item from the dictionary. So D is equal to name, that is Omi, and age is as an 21. So delete D as an age. So if I am going to use this command, delete D, that is age, key value, then I am going to just get an name as an Omi and the age is deleted from the dictionary. So in this way, these are the mutable operations we can perform, and hence the dictionary is a mutable data type. Another one simple example, that is D1 is equal to 1 learn with Omi. 1, 2, 3. And if I'm going to print this D1, and then I'm going to get this as an output. 1 learn, or 2 with Omi, 2 having with, and 3 as and having Omi. And also we can use this by using constructor, means dict constructor. So this is an D2 initialization, and I have used here, look here, dict as an construction, and just put a small value, that is A. Here I put an is equal to. Now I'm going to get A as an five. So sorry, we don't need to put an semicolon. Is equal to is and five. Have a nice day, guys. Happy learning. And in the next lecture, we are going to deep dive in the dictionary operations and its methods.